I'm not the type of guy to do video blogs or anything like that, you know, because I'm going around on the internet and I'm seeing a lot of these idiots that get like 2,000 subscribers and all kind of foolishness because they put their love life out for the world to know and this and that. I'm not the usual person to do video blogs and stuff like that, but I was searching around on YouTube today and I couldn't help but notice that this girl called stawberryshy. You know, this girl, she obviously have a problem because I saw this video talking about how why men cheat. That was the topic of the video. Why do men cheat? Strawberry's reasons for why men cheating was the first one was how we have a penis and we need to put it somewhere, you know, and talking about how evolution and because, you know, men produces millions of, I don't want to start getting all sexual on my camera and stuff because I know little kids are logging online and, you know, you shouldn't be watching this. This is adult speaking, but if you are, you know, and your mommy and daddy haven't given you the sex talk yet, well, men have a lot of stuff, right, and women have one thing. So because of that we need to procreate with as much people as possible and this and that, you know. Sorry for all my women subscribers out there and stuff. This video is not for you, you know, because I'm not like that. I don't cheat. See? The innocent. Why men cheat? Men cheat because y'all pick the dogs. That's right. You pick the dogs. Right? I go and I talk to some female friends of mine. They probably have sex like once a week. Once a week these ladies are having sex, so somebody's getting laid, right? Some of these men are getting laid. I go to some male friends of mine and I ask them, when was the last time you got laid? The guy look at me and said, boy, you know, it's been about a year since they get some tail, right? But yet women are having sex once a week. From them go over 2 months, these girls are bawling, oh my God, I want to have some sex, oh my God, give me some money. Y'all sit down and pick the one man that having sex with everybody. That's what you ladies do. I've never seen anything like it. Go for the one man that every girl wants. Then you come back on camera and then you're like, I didn't cheat on me. Why did he cheat? It's driven into his head. But yeah, you have nice guys like me, okay, because I'm a nice guy, sitting down in the corner, not getting anything. Not even so much as a, you know, what's funny, Miss Strawberryshy, you want to talk about evolution? Let's talk about the alpha male. Because obviously you picked an alpha male. An alpha male that wants to sleep with everybody in the world. Here we go, as I speak, I get an email, and the email states, quote unquote, I want to know if you have a girlfriend, and if you date black girls, I might have a friend for you. I'm not going to say anything more don't date me, because I'm actually going to cut down my video times, especially these blogs, because I don't like to do blogs. I can't stand those people that come on camera and talk about the whole of their life. Don't you know there are crazy people on the internet? Don't you know there are people that are sitting down on their computer right now waiting for one of these sexy girls to either one, take their clothes off, or two, give some undisclosed location where they will come and do some undescribable acts to you. I'm laughing, right? Because it's funny to me, but this is real life. Look, ladies, stop giving out your personal information. And lonely girl, and Daniel, you're a match made in heaven. Meet up and stop put your business online, right? Because unless you're an entertainer, dancer, singer, this one is called lover's choice, or a fool like me, don't be on the internet because they got crazy people out there, and I'm one of them.